Now with this trick what I want to show now today, if you get any paid application for free, whether on Netflix, audio mark, you say they show ads over, so that you know go to see all these ads when say they always pop up every minute. Now this now for only Android users. Not say you like that one, guy, you be thief. So man, no waste on time. Let's dive right in. Now first thing first, you enter your Chrome browser or any browser we use. Now any application where you want to download. Let's take for example, say you want to download Netflix. We all search Netflix. You search Netflix. Then when you search Netflix, you can't type in this code. Now you go type in this mod. Any application you want to download, always make sure you had this mod. All this application like this now crack application will be say you don't need to pay anything to use them. So as you see by as long as you type that mod, you will see the application. You know your pass like this, my brother. Now make an add Jara for now. If you just download this application where you see for your screen, happy mode. Now if you found the information for this my video helpful, don't forget to comment. Make you let me know what you think about this new trick I show now like this. And also don't forget to follow my page, like and share this content so that other people too feel see. So you know your pass like this, my brother. Peace out.